Alvin being my salad. Truck's here.
Well, our air compressor, the first one broke, so then Al had to go rent a new one. And then the second one, concrete got here and it decided not to work again. So we had to fuss with it to try to get it to start again. Thankfully we got it and everything went smooth sailing from there.
And then of course you got things happen, like suddenly I became the button boy and I had to hold this dial right where it needed to be so the concrete shot perfectly. Otherwise I would have screwed up either way.